Most cough and cold meds haven't...
Chris, didn't see you there. Hey, you didn't see anything just now, did you? You can't even say? Chris, hey, let me tell you a secret. Quiet people be off. You think you're special, you think you're unique. I look at you and see another freak. And I read volumes in the words you don't speak. I know exactly what you're thinking. Susie's eating all the school supplies. Now Susie can't just laze on by. Susie will pay for all her crimes. It's what everyone's wishing. You think I don't notice their stares. You think they matter, I don't care. The smoking gun, and it's standing right there. Congratulations, I'm done for. Why so surprised? You know it's true. But expulsion's wasted on a snack or two. So before you pull the trigger like I know you'll do, why not try something more? Why don't I just get expelled for some real carnage? Chris, how do you feel about losing your face? Nah. It's a shame for a mom to lose a child. I guess you're stuck with me for a while. So don't be stupid, and I'll choke down the bile while you're stuck here with Susie. Guess we're both losing.
Welcome. I am the prince of this kingdom, the Kingdom of Darkness. Chris, Susie, there is a legend in this land. A legend that one day, 2 heroes of light will arrive and fulfill the ancient prophecy foretold by time and space. Please, heroes, listen to my tale. Once upon a time, a legend was whispered among shadows. A legend of hopes, of dreams, of light and dark. This is the legend of Deltarune. Long ago we lived in peace, then they shattered harmony, brought a great calamity to the dying earth. Only then, shining with hope, shall appear the 3 heroes. Seal the fountain, banish foes, and begin rebirth. As the fountain shifts this way, visitors bring light of day, and follow the hero's way, and will save my home. All the stories I believed in, now I know they're true. You'll free us all in just dark domain, and maybe together we can stop the rain. I hope we can all be friends along the way. That's what the legends say.
Ho-ho-ho! The heroes are already running away, and they didn't even know I was here! My dad's gonna make me Son of the Month!
Who the hell are you?
I'm the bad guy! I even have my own theme song! It goes like this! Da 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 da.
Those aren't lyrics.
Yeah, they are!
You're just saying da 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 over and over.
Give me a second. Gosh, lyric writing is really hard. Headlands are Prince of Spades. Tonight I'm gonna have my day. Beep beep on the mic, gonna strike better get out off my way. Pedal on to the lightners are gone, and then I'm gonna say yay! Yay! Hell you sweet fools and clowns. Tonight you're going down. Gonna get the goal as I go rolling through this empty town. How don't you know it? Our dark fountain and your tears are gonna drown. Spare the rod and spoil me. I'm the coolest in my family. I'm the villain in the game, and your face is kinda lame. In my kingdom you will find nothing's ever gonna shine. Dare you dare my maze of
I
signs?
am losing my mind.
Here I go, my father's son. Don't you know I'm number one?
Are you done?
No. Beep beep, here come the wheels. You like wrestling, I'm a heel. You know what? I really feel like we've been closer today. You can't stop my evil plan. Now I'm gonna stand in your way.
Dude, are you just standing there?
No, I'm just standing there, menacingly.
There are so many way more evil things you could be doing right now.
Ooh, I like the way you think, Purple Lady. Why, I could pause for the music. Drink straight from the lake. Eat someone else's birthday cake. Since I'm the bad guy, what I want I take. Maybe I can dig a hole, then dig a bigger hole. Don't stop me now, I'm on a roll. I'm the riding ace of spades. Life's a game I love to play. Coming up with rhymes is hard. Hey, why don't you pick a card?
This card says proud member of the Lancer family.
And I, for one, am so proud to be a fan of you guys. Now we're all fans of each other.
Aren't you supposed to be the bad guy?
Huh. Maybe deep down, we're all just guys. You know what? Thank you so much for helping me come to this philosophical conclusion. Spare the rod and spoil me. I'm the coolest in my family. I'm the villain, regular guy. I came up with that rhyme on the fly. Hi, Lancer, Prince of Spades. Tonight I'm gonna have my day. Beep, beep, here come the wheels. You like wrestling? I'm a heel. You know what? I really feel like we'll see each other soon and do evil.
You didn't even try to rhyme that one!
I'll do better next time.
Aren't you gonna finish the chorus?
No, because I'm evil. I learned nothing whatsoever.
What new world is this where the dark meets the light? That calls me to act or to spare or to fight? It gives me this power that shines burning bright, that I'll get my freedom before morning light. I cross through this field of the dark hopes and dreams, a world unfamiliar, nothing as it seems. With ashes and dust all my memories scream that I've lost my choice of what can be redeemed.
Nobody has to die. There's no reason why. know all the stories are true. You'll free us all with me at your back, and I'm glad to be there with you. Although this world is
dark
faded,
hopes and dreams,
I
a
know
world of
me at
memories
your
scream
back,
that I've
I'm
lost
glad
my
to be
choice
there
of what
with
can
you.
be redeemed.
Be the change you want to be.
Is there a choice for me?
I guess we'll wait and see.
Lost in this world I do not understand. Things unfamiliar but so out of hand. Is my lot in life just to follow commands? As child of light and as child of man. Surveys in town tell me how much I've grown. My soul an enigma that they'll never know. Now everything feels like my will's not my own, since I have been cast to the darkness below.
I know you'll find a way to share the light of day with everybody here. Life is a crazy ride, but when we're side by side, then there's nothing to fear. Although this world is faded to black, I know all the stories are true. You'll free us all with me at your back, and I'm glad to be there with you.
Surveys in town tell me how much I've grown. Stories which they'll never know. Now everything feels like my will's not my own, since I have been cast into the darkness below. What is there I can be, since there's no choice for me? When you're